Welcome to Adult Info. 10 Incredible How to Have First Time Sex Tips for Men. Having sex for the first time with their long-term partner is a stepping stone for every couple's relationship that helps build strong physical and emotional bonding between couples. First time sex tips. Before getting into sex for the first time, you have to keep some things in mind, which will ensure that you are able to give pleasure to your partner. And how is your first impression? Be aware that bad impression can spoil your relationship. So go with the following first time sex tips to feel confident. 1. Talk to your partner. For some people, sex is all about penetration, while for others stimulating. Having oral activities is all about losing virginity. However, the most important thing is to feel comfortable and enjoy your first experience. 2. Know your body. Knowing your body anatomy is one of the most crucial first-time sex tips that help you discover your body's working and help you find your pleasure points. Knowing about your body will keep your mind calm and focused, and it will help you last longer in bed during your first-time sex. Also, try masturbation as a discovery method to delay your climax. 3. Wear condom. You can get and transfer diseases through any kind of sex, so it is essential to use condoms to protect yourself and your partner from sexually transmitted diseases and unwanted pregnancy. No matter how many times you wish to do, if you are not willing to use precautions, then you can get yourself and your female partner tested for any kind of sexually transmitted disease. 4. Try foreplay. Incorporate foreplay into your action, even when you are having sex. For the first time, it will make you more comfortable and confident. Although, many couples ignore it and hop directly on the main course and get unsatisfactory results. So, add foreplay to your romance checklist. It will help you ease the mood and heat up the environment for more exciting things. 5. Use lubrication. For the first-timers, it is necessary to use extra lubrication like Vaseline, oil, and water-based lubricants around the vaginal area. It will reduce irritation during penetration, and you will go smoothly with a more enjoyable experience. You can also use lubrication in foreplay to excite each other. 6. Don't forget about hygiene. Hygiene is the most important thing you should keep in your mind if you are having sex for first time. When you decide to get physical with your partner, there are risks of hygiene problems like STI and other transmitted diseases like a yeast infection and pubic lice. To avoid these problems, maintain your sexual hygiene. Tell your partner about it and use condoms to prevent unwanted disease transfer. Another tips for first-time sex you should follow is wash your hand before engaging in any sexual activity, and avoid touching your partner's private parts before washing your hands to eliminate unwanted infections. 7. Get cozy position. Every first-timer worries about lasting longer in bed, but they forget that getting a comfortable position is one of the factors that help you last longer in bed. Getting a comfortable position will help you get better penetration and pleasure during the intercourse. Try finding a comfortable position for both of you to enhance your experience more. 8. No means no. Understanding your partner's words and behavior in bed is most important for you. If your partner is not comfortable with the position or refuses to have sex and says no to you, then try to understand and respect the decision and move back to give him/her time to collect thoughts. Talk normally and help him/her with insecurities. This step is one of the most important first-time sex tips that everyone should follow to understand the relationship better. 9. Take things slowly. Every person who is having sex for first time is excited about the upcoming event and forget about everything they learn about how to do first-time sex. Even worse, sometimes teenagers get too enthusiastic about sex and jump to bed to try some acrobatic stunts with partners. Don't get too excited about your fantasies and positions. Take things slowly. Start with a proper conversation. Think about your partner's thoughts Engage in foreplay, and then move towards penetration. 10. Keep talking during intercourse. Movies and stories have created a myth that couples during intercourse do not talk to each other, they just moan and look at each other. Don't fall for this lie. Try to speak with your partner during sex, it will help you understand your partner's thoughts. This way, you can also find if your partner has any problem with penetration or position. This first time sex tips for men will also help you to be last longer in bed. Please do comment, do you find this tips useful or not?